To insert audio into your slide, click on the Media drop-down and select the Audio option. A right-hand panel will appear. Under the AI Voice section, you can first choose the language. Then select from a range of male and female voice options. The AI Voice settings drop-down allows you to fine-tune the audio by adjusting parameters like, say as, volume, speed, pitch. Enter your text in the provided field and click Generate Audio. The system will process your text and generate the voiceover, which will then appear on the slide for playback or further edits. Additionally, you can upload your own audio file. Simply click on Upload, then either browse and select a file from your device or drag and drop it into the upload area.